안녕하십니까. 안녕하십니까 여러분.
Hi, how's it going, everyone? Hello, Trader Cat, JT, Monica, J Cherry Fish, Gringo, Bowser in the house, G Taurus, Tory Traits. Where's Trump? Oh man, how was everybody's day? Let's take a look at the vote. Wow, we had a lot of green today. Incredible. You guys are killing this market, guys. You're new to the stream. Refu Lasif. Where you from, brother? Anyways, great to see you here. Thanks for being here as well. How did I do? My day was I think my day was good. I obviously traded using my phone. I think it was good. I think the only problem was I kind of feel like I wasted the whole day looking for that pullback initially, and I placed a lot of limit orders and then I obviously ended up doing my stuff, and then I kept looking at my phone and I was like, there's no there's no pullback, and that too for like a couple hours, right? So I don't know, it was kind of a weird day. I kept waiting for a pullback, never really pulled back throughout the entire duration until the power hour, and then obviously towards the end the market started to pull back, and that's obviously the kind of a pullback I was looking for initially right at the start of the day, and never we got any kind of a pullback. And then of course at the end we just kept grinding to the downside. I mean, thank God I was not in any of these trades, because I kind of went right up here. I was like, you know what, I don't want to do anything with this market. I'm gonna just exit my trades, whatever limit orders I had in place. I'm gonna walk away and never look back today. I just got absolutely frustrated with this price action we had today. It was just a constant bounce to the upside, and I was like, you know what, as much as I was looking for that pullback, the pullback was pretty quick as well, right? And it came down quickly and went up quickly as well. So it was really hard, especially when you're trading on your phone. It was kind of very difficult to get into the trade. Unfortunately, I did not get into a lot of trades, so I kind of missed the whole move. I had a chance here, never really got a chance to get in. I had a chance here to go long. I mean, obviously I was trying to go long throughout the entire morning, but of course never really got a chance. And then guess what, the market just kept moving, and then finally towards the power hour, the market started to curl back down again. And then it's like I wasn't even there. I wasn't even paying attention to the chart, to be honest, man. So frustrating. But no damage today, so I'll be happy with that. Now we start another day. Of course, this is Globex Asia, and we're here right now. We're trying to make some trades. Let's try to see if we can bank, and try to build some accounts tonight. So here I am here. We'll probably end up starting the day with the I'm gonna start the day with my funding ticks master accounts, and then let's try to test the water with micro trades, right? I'm gonna start the day getting into the micro trades on 150 ticks chart on the left hand side, and we got obviously 1 hour chart on the right hand side. And of course we hit that resistance right at that level there. I'm gonna show it to you guys. And of course we got a nasty pullback towards the end, and it was a very obvious level of a resistance that we kind of got rejection of from, right? So in that 850 860 area, we obviously hit that resistance, and that's the major level of resistance, of course, right? Because these were support, and we hit a resistance, and another resistance, and we actually ended up getting a pullback. Now the thing is, what is this market going to do? It's a very, very confusing market today. I'll tell you why. Because now I'm looking at the 1 hour chart, but if you just take a look, guys, almost kind of feels like an inverse head and shoulders kind of playing out, right? Because you got less shoulders, you got neckline here, and I kind of feel like we're creating a right hand shoulder right up here, right? So maybe we get a pullback a little down into the 650s, and that could be potentially the target to kind of bring it down, and then we could kind of call back up again for another round of a bullish move in this market. Now I know you guys are pretty bearish against this market now, because it's obviously this game is a big surprise to me that I wasn't in any of this trade overnight when this market kept ripping to the upside. Very interesting market so far, guys. It's pretty crazy. What a wild price action that we got today. Now the thing is, are we gonna go back up again after this big push down? I kind of feel like we've got just a little more to the downside. We're gonna have to wait and see if we can actually end up holding this key level that's gonna be in that low 600s, right? So I'm gonna look to see if we get a little bit of a bounce early right at the start. I'm gonna look to short this bounce, and then look to ride the pullback here back into, I would say, the 650s, right? So that's what I'm gonna be looking for right in this area, 650 in this zone. This is the area I'm gonna be kind of watching this market, and I want to see how this kind of plays out. So here I am, guys. We are gonna start the Globex Asia in about 5 minutes, and this is gonna be what I'm gonna be looking for right now. So no, it traded away glitched all day. Yes, it did. It actually did, and I didn't realize it was glitching all day. I think it was just me. Just saying, right, what is going on, man? Monica from Germany again, get down and dump. We could. It's either for me, if I have to make a little bit of a prediction here coming into the open, I kind of feel like we could kind of chop, right? And the range could be pretty wide, right? The range could be between 780 all the way down to 600. So Sorry, not 600. 760 to maybe 650. That's 100 points range. So it's gonna be a wide range. I kind of feel like we're gonna chop within that range, and then eventually maybe we try to pull back down to the 640, 650s, and then maybe if that level holds, then we kind of get a bounce back up again. Chose to reset this morning. And Anthony, what is going on, brother? Took 6 trades, lost 4, won 2, ended the day break even. Yeah, it was it a chop today? No, it was not a chop today. It was a slow grind to the upside. I think a lot of traders were actually looking for a pullback, a minor pullback, right into the support levels, and obviously we never really got that, right? So Trade glitched. The managed trades, what is going on, man? Money Mitch in the house, man. What up? Rapiules, Utah. Nice, brother. Nice. Oh yeah, G Toys, guys. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Thanks for being here today. Let's have another great round of trades. Of course, I was green last night. Last night was probably my one of my better P&L day, especially on the Globex Asia. According to the Globex Asia standard, I actually had a pretty good day. I almost gotta feel like Globex Asia last night was pretty close to the profits I made this morning. Maybe it was better last night, I don't know. It was sick, man. Anyways, guys, I come into this day thinking, you know, if we get to the upside, then I'm looking for a pullback. If not, then I'm gonna have to place my hard stops though, because I don't want to be on the wrong side and I keep holding that loser, and then the loser obviously end up losing account. I don't want to be doing that. I'm gonna try my level best to place the hard stop as much as I can into my trades and see how it goes. Anyways, guys, good luck everybody. We got 2 more minutes for this Globex Asia to open. If you guys are trading, trade safe. D45, what is up? How's your day? All right, let's have some fun, guys. Another fun day. It's Globex Asia. Let's not try to pressure ourselves and try to be like, you know, all in or nothing kind of thing. Let's not do that. Past one event. Oh, nice, D45. Good stuff, man. I like that. I like that. All right, so here we are, guys. We got one more minute. Yeah. B Adam, what is going on, man? How was your day, B Adam? All right. The Globex Asia is no longer the slowest market, right? The kind of a price action we had a few days ago, sorry, for the last few days was pretty insane. So let's see if we get another round of a volatility here, guys. Globex Asia starts in about 20 seconds. Good luck, everybody. All right, man. I'm gonna end the poll. The poll really clearly says majority of the traders actually had a great. Oh my God, guys! Look at that cappuccino. We are gapping up. Nice. All right, everybody. I don't know, man. I don't know. Make it out. This is pretty. This is some insane. All right, guys.
Order filled.
Order
submitted.
Order filled.
All right, everybody. I'm here now. I'm short
submitted.
at the
Order
open.
submitted.
I'm looking for a pullback
submitted.
here. Let's see if we get it, guys. If it rip kept going, I'm gonna stop out in that 780 range. That's where my stop is, and kind of really makes sense, right? Kind of really makes sense. We got a resistance here, the trend line here, and then we got a resistance right up here as well, right? So we got this resistance here, and here I am, guys. So that's a small minor resistance. I'm gonna actually add on a bounce. If you get further bounce, and I place my stop here at 790 to, I would say, 780 area. Okay, there you go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Excellent green. Nice, man. Today definitely a tough day. Oh man, we had a lot of traders doing really well today, man. Actually comes as a surprise to me a little bit. All right, guys, we're pulling back a little bit. I'm gonna be looking for let's try to be a little more aggressive on this bad boy. Let's see. I wonder if we get a bounce, guys.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, let's see if we fill the gap to the downside now.
Order submitted.
Oh no.
Order filled.
I've added some more. I'm gonna quickly peel my profits off.
Order
And a quick pull back down here, guys.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
It's weird.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, there we go. We are pulling back here now.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I'm down to 7 contracts here with me. 1, 2, and then I'm gonna place another one.
Order submitted.
4.
Order
filled.
I'm shorting now, guys. I'm shorting. I told you I'm shorting, guys. I'm shorting. All right, guys. I'm banking now. All right, guys. I'm down to 5 contracts here.
Filled.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. I'm gonna place my stop. I'm gonna trail my stop down. And let's see if we hold this or we get a pullback here now. 740. My stop at 740. I'm gonna exit the trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
Sorry, not exit. I'm gonna downsize. I'm down to 4 contracts here. Down to 4 contracts, guys.
Order canceled.
All right, guys. Let's see if we get a follow through extension down. Let's see. Target 690. Nice. What a trade, everybody. What a great start.
Order filled.
Woo! Globex Asia is not disappointing us, guys. Definitely not disappointing. All right, everybody. I'm down to 3 now. I'm probably gonna place my stop here, right in that range, in that 740. That's gonna be my mental stop now. Actually, you know, might as well just do it right here, right now, guys. Might as well. Oh well. Place my stop here.
Order submitted.
All right, so there we go, guys. My stop, my hard stop there, 730-ish area as a break even. All right, guys, we are getting this nice little follow through, guys. We talked about this level, guys. We talked about the inverse head and shoulders. We talked about if we get to the upside, we're gonna look to short this market and look for a pullback down to 680s, 650s, and if that level doesn't hold, then we continue pulling back down, and this inverse head and shoulders is no longer valid. Wow. That's all I can say right now, guys. RSI pretty oversold now, back into the 20s, so I kind of feel like we could get a little bounce. Kind of have to watch this out. All right, guys, we are getting a little bit of a bounce. RSI pretty oversold, guys. Now the thing is, are we gonna try and get a bounce, but then it kind of like fades down? We're gonna have to watch and see. right? So I've got a stop here placed at 730, right? That's where my stop is. I'm down to 2 contracts, so
Order canceled.
I can kind of hold this. If we get a bounce, then I can kind of hold this. I may end up adding to my short position as well. We'll see. But let's see how strong of a bounce we get right now.
Order
I'm gonna add
Order
some more.
filled.
We'll see.
Order
Order
All right, guys.
Order
I'm gonna.
filled.
I got 5 now in total, and I'm gonna place my stop at the break
Order
even.
submitted.
That's where I stop at the break even, guys.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
So let's see if you get a bounce. If you get a bounce, then I'm out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got a hard stop. And I've got a hard stop now.
Order submitted.
And then let's see if you get a follow through down now again.
Order.
Wow,
filled.
what a perfect play, guys. Man, I edit at a perfect time as well. Holy. I took my profits off along the way to the downside, and as soon as we got a bounce, I waited for a bounce back into the 720, and I added to my short position, and now I'm peeling profits. Oh my god.
Order filled.
All right, guys. 2 trades in a row, back-to-back
Order
grade, and this
order
account's looking
canceled.
great. This is on a funded account, of course, guys. $400 right there, right off the bat. We got what we need. All right, guys. I'm gonna place my stop at the initial high. All right, there we go, guys. I've got 3 contracts now. Let's look
Order
for
submitted.
2 contracts. Oh my god.
Order.
All
Order
right, guys. I've
filled.
got 2 contracts now. Let's see if we get a little extension down. Let's see if we get it, guys. We may get a bounce now. It almost kind of feels like we may get a bounce. RSI is still pretty oversold now. Ooh, yeah, guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade now.
Order.
I'm getting
Order
this trade,
filled.
guys. Nice. Nice. I exited that trade, guys. Not bad. Not bad. So I'm gonna move on to something else. That's $400, so I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. Let's move to a different account. Well, let's go to a different account now. Thank you guys once again for being here with us every day. Truly appreciative, guys. It truly means a lot. Not just for me, for the stream as well. Thank you, everybody. All right, so now it's kind of like in that mid-level where I don't know. It's the risk reward is not there to get into a trade right now. So right, RSI kind of like right in the middle, 50. So it's now we're kind of neutral. What is up, Zen25? Dopamine, nice. I like the name, dopamine. We definitely need a dopamine, yeah. Corey Trades, what up? Sorry, not Corey Trades. Corey the Sculptor. Dalilope, Dalilope. Trader. Savage, Mike, Anthony, Jeffrey, what is going on? Perfect play in the house. What up? Grand Michael. Oh, Grand Michael is here too. All right, guys. I hope you guys took that trade to the downside, man. That was a nice, beautiful trade to the downside, guys. Let's see if we can actually make another run of good trades. This is gonna be my 3rd trade of the day. Let's see if we can actually get something out of this. Not really sure what to do now. I may have to wait a little bit, right? I may try to short this on a bounce back into 730. Now it really depends on how strong of a bounce we get right now. Nice. Woo! Yeah, let's go, baby. I like that. You got 3 XFAs. Yeah, I've got 5 XFAs now. I got 5 XFAs. You just got off the work, yeah. That's the, yeah. I completely understand that, Corey. It's really hard to do that, right? It's really hard. You know, it's like sometimes before I drive, I get into a trade, and when I Obviously you're not gonna check your phone while you're driving, but yeah, anyways, good luck, Corey, if you're trading now. All right, guys, anyways, we are getting a little bounce here, 730. Oh man, look at that bounce, guys. That's a pretty strong wild bounce we're getting right now. Let's see, guys. Maybe I should have gone long right there. The problem is, okay, 725 here. Yes, I'm trading my funding ticks right now as you speak, guys.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm showing this.
Order filled.
Actually, no,
Order
I'm
filled.
putting the wrong account. All right,
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
all right, guys, I'm gonna try and short this on a bounce back into the 730s and look to try and add to my short position, and I'll probably end up exiting my trade in that mid 755 area. And then I'm gonna look to see if we can actually get a nice little pullback down to the 650s. If you do that, that's great. If not, then I get stopped out. Is that a direct to funded? No. That's through eval. I don't do direct to funded, guys. You guys know that. I don't do direct to funded accounts.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a bounce right now. All right, guys, I gotta be careful because this we could get a big bounce. Nobody knows. Yeah, that's right. We're still down overall in this market, so funding takes 50k eval after promo. How much is it? Is there an activation fee? All right, guys, we are getting a bounce here, guys. Hold on one second.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh no, we are getting a
Order
bounce.
canceled.
Oh dear. Oh, this is a pretty strong bounce we're getting right now, guys. I may be in trouble. One second. I'm gonna move. Let me just try to
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submit. Order submitted. Order submitted.
where the heck is my my entry? I can't see my entry, guys. That's a problem. I know I'm down, but I wonder where my entry is. Oh, it's right there in that 732. Yeah, we could get a bounce here, guys. This we just literally broke out of this pretty important pivot here at 730. So yeah, I gotta be careful now, right? We gotta be careful. I've also got to be careful right up here as well. We could get a bounce back into the 750, and then yeah, I'm down 165 bucks. I'm up with 10 contracts here, guys.
Order canceled.
Like I said again, I'll probably end up exiting this trade at 765 area.
Order canceled.
Let me just exit this. Cancel this,
Order
man.
canceled.
Yeah, I'll have a
Order
mental
canceled.
stop instead of putting a hard stop. It's really hard to kind of manage that. Like I wish I am able to just you know, but you gotta have a manual like stop there. That's a problem. Anyways, guys, my mental stop here at 765 to 770 area now. So let's see if we can get a bounce or we get a pullback here. Kid Poker, what's going on, man? How's your day? It only goes up. Well, it went down quite a lot last night. Yeah. It does not always go up, unfortunately. All right, guys, we are getting pretty strong bounce off the low. I may be on the wrong side. I'm only down about 190, but I'm just kind of worried about this. We may be getting a reversal pattern here.
Order canceled.
Yeah, we are back to 743 now. Is this going to be my first red of the day? Could be, man. I'm down about 270. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm still holding on to this right now. I'm not trying to add to my position. I'm gonna add one more.
Order filled.
I'm gonna add slowly on a bounce. Okay, let's see what this market does. Was I able to add? Yeah, there's that glitch in this Tradeovate, man. It's starting to get bigger and bigger. You know, like sometimes I place an order, it's not there. You know what I mean? See, now it's coming. I added one contract like 1 minute ago, and it's only now added. So that's pretty bad execution on Tradeovate. Good poker. 5 minutes shows me reversal off that bounce. T about Sean Hazel. What is going on, brother? What is good? All good for me, guys. I had a decent day. A little frustrated with the price action today, but I mean, overall I had a good day. I'm not gonna complain. And last night was pretty crazy too, so I'm okay with what I had today. Even though I was kind of like looking for more, I just couldn't do it. It wasn't easy. I was looking for a pullback and never really got it. And when we actually ended up getting a small little pullback early in the day, I did not capitalize on that because I wasn't on my phone. So it's kind of difficult. By the time I tried to get in, I kind of missed, you know. And you were looking for that pullback while you're on your phone, and you never really got a pullback until the very last minute of the day during the power hour, right? So, yeah. So that was the only reason why I'm kind of frustrated. But overall, it was a pretty decent day. And it looks like everybody here, 80% of the traders actually did a pretty good job today. So I'm happy, guys. All of you did a great job today, right? I did not see a lot of reds on our Discord today. So it kind of feels like, you know, you all kind of kicked ass the market, which is really where we want to be. Good stuff. Anyways, guys, 7:38 now. Let's see if this market actually ends up getting a pullback. The kind of a pullback that we've been looking for. Let's see if we get it, guys. Let's see. Maybe this could be a little bit of a, you know, gap fill and then kind of like curl back down again. Not a gap and go. 7:36 now, guys. We are getting a little pullback here. Let's see if we hold or we break it down. If we break it down, then I think we retest the low, I guess, right? We'll see, guys. We're still above all the EMAs. So, and this is on 150 ticks chart. I'm using a tick chart right now to trade my execution orders, and obviously to kind of understand the bigger market story, I'm using the right hand side, the 1 hour chart, to kind of gauge where this market may end up going on a bigger time frame. Guys, okay, so here I am, right? You just hit my break even, my entry here at 732, and we kind of got a little bounce. But let's see, guys, it doesn't look as strong. We'll see, guys. We'll see. All right, I got my mental stop here at 765 to 770, so we'll see how it goes. Good luck, everybody. Zen25, last night was bad. You blew one Take Profit Trader Pro account. Only, oh my god, you blew Apex Eval. Well, that Apex Eval is fine. You made $400 on your 12 funded. Well, I think I kind of like your stat there, Zen25. Right, you're $400 up on each of your 12 funded accounts, and you kind of lost your 4 Apex Eval and 1 Take Profit Trader 50K Pro. I think you had a big win. Are you not happy with your result? I would be If I were you, I would be like extremely happy with the result. I wouldn't complain at all with that sort of result. That's a pretty good deal. I'll take it any day. All right, guys. Anyways, we are back here. I'm kind of like stuck in this trade. We obviously definitely need a little pullback, of course. Of course. For me, if you guys are long, then of course, then good luck to you guys. But for me, I'm right now short, and my entry here 732. It actually tapped my entry a few minutes ago, and we kind of got a bounce off the level. So I almost kind of feel like obviously this level, my entry is now become a support. Now, if that breaks and if it starts to call back down underneath my entry, then of course that level is going to start to act as a resistance, and let's look for a follow through down back into the retest the low at 700. So I guess I'm going to have to stay a little patient, and again, my mental stop here would be that 765, guys. That's it. What is going on, Alfred Haywood in the house? What is up, man? Gen 25, you're fine, but it was scary. Yeah, it was definitely scary, man. I was scared myself. I was, every time I go into a trade, I'm like, oh no. I just didn't say it, but I mean, I was like, oh, it really was nerve-wracking. Absolutely. And that was like what, 100, like almost 200 points pullback last night, man. It was straight to the downside all day. It was crazy. All right, guys. Like I said again, 732 obviously acting as a support. So it's gonna be pretty interesting how this price is gonna be. So far, it's kind of like trying to hold. It's trying to hold. The question is, for how long, right? That's the question. We're trying to pull back here. I'm gonna try and place my limit orders just in case you get a pullback. So they kind of get triggered right away. So I really don't have to. I don't have to manually do that, right? So automatic limit orders. I've already set there. Submitted. Let's see if we get a pullback now, guys. Let's see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
One got filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Man, I've got 12 contracts.
Submitted.
That's actually quite a lot.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we are getting a pullback, guys. Wow. Third trade of the day, looking like it's gonna be a killer. We'll see.
Order
it's not over
filled.
yet. Not out of the woods yet.
Order filled.
Order
Oh
filled.
my god, look at that, guys. Holy. Third trade in a row, guys. Third trades.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Congrats, guys. If you guys banked it,
Order
congrats,
filled.
everybody. Woo! Look at that, guys. All right, one more.
Order filled.
Oh my god. You've got to be kidding, guys. We're getting a bounce off that level.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys. I'm going to have to... Oh, dear. I'm only down to 9. I'm only down to 5, so I'm not going to complain about it, but... Okay, so I'm going to have my limit orders here. I'm going to place 3 limit orders, guys. We'll see. Oh my god, guys. Mochaccino. Wow. Look at that, guys. I like what I see so far. Let's see if we can actually get that nice little follow through down now. Woo! I don't know, man. I have no idea. Oh my god. Again, I don't know, guys. I don't know what's going on, man. The tide is changing. Globex Asia is becoming pretty good for StockTiger, so maybe I get a little lucky. I don't know. Not a bad trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
How are you doing in your Tradify account? Tradify Grand Cup? I haven't checked. I could check right now. Just give me a few minutes, guys. Once this trading is over, I'll go take a look and see where I'm at.
Order submitted.
I don't think I'm doing anything wrong on the Tradify Grand Cup. I'm not really I'm not okay. Well, let me just take it back. I'm not really paying too much attention, if you will. That doesn't mean that I'm not focusing, right? Obviously, I'm trying my level best, but it's kind of like my back burner now because I've got to trade my funded accounts to get paid, right? The Tradify Grand Cup isn't gonna pay me. Trump is talking now, really? Are you? No, seriously, guys. Is Trump talking? Oh my God, I'm actually trading in front of Trump. Alright guys, 1 second. I'll take one more off. I'm down to the last piece now. Last piece. Okay, well I can kind of hold this, right?
Order canceled.
I think I can kind of hold this, guys. Oh, Trump is talking. He should contact us. What does that mean? Who should contact him? StockTiger should contact DT. Is that what it is? Alright guys, I'm down to one last piece, and hey man, I've made what I need. Wow, it's making things very easy for me to have a great, better day tomorrow. All right, so we are getting a little bounce, but I've already taken my profits that I need, so I'm a happy camper at this point. We are kind of holding this level, so I kind of feel like maybe this could be the bottoming process, right? A short-term bottoming process, maybe. It's kind of playing out, right? You can also see here, we got a nice, beautiful wick, 2 wicks in a row, right? 2 wicks in a row here. All right, guys, I'm going to exit this trade now. I'm going to exit this trade right here, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, that's 160 bucks. Obviously counted the day as well, so that's good. Now I'm going to move on to something else, trade something different. Let's try to trade this bad boy now. And 2 listed pros earlier, definitely not a great month. Oh, just lost the 80 bucks to him. Oh, you're talking about DT? Oh, yeah. Tradify Grand Cup. Let's take a look, guys. 1 second. Oh yeah, I'm still here. I'm still here. 234, guys. I'm here in the 234. So not bad. I'll probably end up swing trading something overnight, so that way I don't have to trade this account tomorrow. I may even just leave this account as is for the next few days to kind of like, you know, to not bring any damage to this account, I guess, right? Sometimes it's kind of better that you don't trade at all, to just stay in the game. And yeah, it looks like it's looking not bad, guys. 234. My ranking is 234 right now, and I've got a little less than $61,000 of profit on this, so that's where I am. I'm in no team. I'm in no team. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So far looking pretty good. We'll see how it goes. We'll keep you posted. I know you, a lot of you guys are asking me this question, but yeah, not bad. Yeah, I wouldn't complain. Yeah, absolutely. All right, so we are back again. We are back here again, guys. We are kind of like getting that wick here, right? We're getting the wick. So it's kind of hard for me to short this market right now, guys, unless I was kind of waiting for this thing to pull back here below the 700. But every time we try to pull back into the 700, we kind of got a beautiful bounce. So this could be a little bit of a bottoming process, if you will, right? So we retested a lot here in that 700 level. So unless we really flush it down back into below 700, it's gonna be a little bit difficult for me to kind of short this market, unless we are kind of like in that chop world between that 760 to 700, that 50 points range. We could certainly be like a chop, you know what I mean? Like in this range, we could be right here. So maybe try to short the market up here and try to long the market down here, right? And then play that chop, right? And try to do a micro scalping, if you will. And I could be doing that. I may end up just trying to do that. If this is how it's gonna be, like, you know, if it's gonna be just chop all day, then I'm gonna play that trade. 750 to 700 area. True trend. How's your New York? My New York was pretty good. You know, it's I wouldn't complain. My New York is definitely good. You know, I had a pretty good trades across the board. It's just that I did not get a chance to kind of get a beautiful home run trade, because I kind of thought this market's gonna keep moving to the upside, and I knew that. I kind of realized that right into the open, but I missed a lot of opportunities because I kept going on and off on my phone, so it wasn't easy that way, right? Because you're looking for that pullback, you never really got a pullback, and you don't want to chase the market, and you kind of like sitting there watching this market go on its own. And that's where I kind of was the whole duration of the day. Funding takes 50k eval after promo. How much is it? It's, I think if you go with the 1k payout cap, it's gonna be $68. Okay, if you go with the 1k payout cap, it's $68 on a $1,000 payout cap. Right now it's 20% off, so it's still, I think it's still a pretty good deal. I've got 2 accounts that I'm it's a 1,000 payout cap, and I've got 3 funded accounts with funding ticks that's 5,000 payout cap. Let's get some K-pop. Dan Evans. Dan Evans, have you traded the Tradify Grand Cup again? Or you're not trading that at all? And your ranking still goes down. Yeah, we got some traders not trading Tradify account, the Tradify Grand Cup, of course, and then their ranking gets better every day. Well, that's exactly what happened to me as well. I didn't trade the rest of the day today, and my ranking actually pulled back up by like 30 points. So is there an activation? Oh, guys, with funding ticks, there's no activation. Okay, there's no activation funding ticks. It's a straight up front. It's probably the cheapest deal. How do you remember which one is 1k and which one is? I don't remember. I'm just gonna trade as needed. Did you get? Did you? That's a good question though. SZMel 2000. That's a really good question. My answer to that question is honestly, I don't really care which account is 5k payout cap and which one's 1k. It doesn't really matter to me, because if I can make good trades across the board, all of these accounts are gonna look good. Did anyone get caught in that end of day sell-off? Man, I completely missed that move. Zen 25 for me. I don't know. I don't know for the rest of the fellow traders, but for me, I really definitely did miss that move. Oh, guys, by the way, should we do a little giveaway here today as well? What do you guys think, man? I'm just very glad that you guys, all of you guys, are back here again with me. So, 1 second, guys. Let's do another giveaway, guys. Giveaway. So much love. Just don't forget to smack the like, guys. We only have 50 likes and over 2,000 viewers. All right, guys, go ahead and post your number. Not post your number. Oh my God, not post your number. Follow the instructions. Streamlab on our YouTube chat. Let's quickly take a look and see how everybody did today as well. While we wait for this market to kind of play out, let's quickly take a look. Okay, this market's kind of pulling back here, guys, man. I kind of feel like I missed that trade to the downside. But anyways, let's see how we are doing, all of us. Let's take a look, guys. 2-minute chatting on my payout tab, guys. Guys, please. 13.0. Oh my God, 13.0, man. $3,900 on his Tradify funded account. That's not Tradify. That's Trade Day. Incredible. 13 Izaro. Good stuff. Good job. Oh my god, that's $1,500 back to back on trade day. The king of trade day is here with us. Roa trades, guys. Roa trades $3,000, man. Bulanox, man. I'm trying to get better at Bulanox. I'll just put it that way. I'm not gonna go too much into details, but yeah, I'm waiting for the 91% off as well, so I can load in some accounts. But for now, man, Roa trades, man. Roa trades is really good at trading Bulanox. And we also have Bowser. I think it's Bowser trading Bulanox as well. We got a lot of Bulanox, a great trader trading Bulanox, man. We got, guys, man, we have to understand. Take a look at this, guys. Kevlo, 6th payout from funding tick so far. Thank you, StockTiger, for his daily stream and introduction to funding ticks. Never thought I will get this breakthrough. This is his 6th payout, guys. Incredible. Everybody can do it. If Kevlo can do it, I can do it, you can do it, we all can do it. Kevlo is a great trader. 6th payout, $5,400 reward cap. Awesome. Kevlo, man, once again, I wanted to let you know, big congrats to your achievement. This is incredibly remarkable. Such an inspiration as well, Kevlo. You worked hard. Well deserved. Well deserved. Bowser, there you go. It's Bowser trading the master Bulanox accounts, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is Bowser. Look, man. Bowser kicking ass. The master of trading Bulanox accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight winning days. I'm assuming you can actually take a payout on this bad boy. Yeah, you could. It's $54,000. So great job, Bowser. I guess you're kind of waiting for that payout, I guess, right? Bakimas also, man. This is through, I think this is Top Step. Yeah, Top Step taking big payouts, man. $680 and $1,200. Good stuff, Bakimas. Good job, good job. Nice. Silver, $44.90 on funding ticks, man. Guys, man, we are taking, like, if you just take a look, how many times we actually took the payout from funding ticks. Incredible. And now I'm starting to get a little worried. You know, I'm starting to get worried. What if they change the rule? Because so many payouts. I think the easiest one to get a payout right now, I'm assuming, for me, I kind of feel like it's funding ticks, but we'll see. Funded next also seems like a big one too, man. You guys, funding ticks, funded next, $10,000 from Andy. Yeah, he also took for Andy. Actually took from Funded Futures Network too, guys. Man, you guys are awesome, man. You guys are freaking awesome. Look at the way you guys are taking money out. Crazy. Anyways, guys, let's get back into trading mode. Oh, Annabella as well, man. Our new, I think it's one of the fairly new member on the Discord, but Annabella, man, she's killing this market, guys. Trade day, $10,000. There's some more. She actually also shared something else. I can't remember exactly what it was. Annabella right here, $8,000 from Futures Desk, and $12,000 from Tradify, guys, man. Tradify 12,000, funded. Futures Desk 8,000, and another $10,000 from Trade Day. And then of course we got Scalpster taking $1,600 from My Funded Futures, and then we also have somebody I kind of missed. I'm sorry, man. Forgot to call your name. It's Lauren. Look at this, guys. And that's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's over $9,000 of payout from It's Lauren. It's Lauren. Congrats, man. Where's your badge? I thought I'd give you a badge on that one. Oh yeah, it's there. Actually, it's more than that, man. What are you? It's a it's $100,000 payout cap. Good job, man. Good job. Awesome. It's Laura, man. Congrats, man. That's a huge payout from Apex. I wouldn't be able to do that, and that took 86 days. 86 days of trading days, guys. I don't know, man. I wouldn't be able to do that. I don't think I've ever done this many all at the same time. I've never done it before. So anyways, guys, all right, let's go back into trading mode, guys. Thanks for being patient here. Let's go back. Just make sure you follow the instruction on that giveaway as well. Right now it's happening as we speak, and that's the Apex account giveaway, guys. Good luck, everybody. All right, and the market's getting a bounce, right? That was a bit of a fake pullback that we actually got. So sitting in that 744. Let's see if we can actually hold this and try to call back up again. That is about 160 each day. Yeah, I know, man. That's such a great consistency, bro. Awesome. So many great traders, to be honest, man. I'm just so inspired that I did not realize, you know, sometimes you have to see these things. And I really honestly thank you guys for sharing your journey with us, because as much as I share my journey with all of you, it's really awesome to kind of see how you guys are making progress in your journey too, right? It's a motivation, right? And we're kind of sharing our journeys together so we can kind of bang together and share our journeys together during this process. And like I said again, guys, we are in this together. So my Discord link is there if you guys want to hop in. Somebody was asking that, so. All right, guys, what a nice, beautiful bounce that we are getting here right now. Wow, look at that ripper, guys. I don't like. Hold on 1 second, guys. I may have to try and go long.
Orders.
I'm gonna try and long this, guys.
Orders filled.
But I'm gonna try and slowly scale into my trade, though, right?
Order filled.
My hard stop here is 745. I set another hard stop. My mental stop here is 745, guys. If you get a pullback here underneath the 740, 745-ish area, I'll probably end up exiting my trade. Of course, it really depends also on how, what kind of a pullback we get. All right, guys, we're getting a little pop here, so I'm going to take some profits off the table if I can. I've taken 2 off the table now, down to 6 contracts, guys, on a long side. Let's see, guys. My target on this is going to be right in that 775 area. I'm going to look for a bounce back into 775.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm going to be down to 4 now. What happens if you receive a ticket? If you receive a ticket, then you get, oh, hold on 1 second, guys. 1 second, guys. We are getting a nice, beautiful bounce here.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm down to 2 now.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
Oh.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I hope this is not gonna be a pullback that is gonna bother me. Let's see, guys. 767 now. Let's see if we can actually get one more follow through here up before we get some kind of a pullback. Let's see, guys. One more push. Let's see if we get it, guys. Yeah, it's hit the ceiling there, 770. Let's see if we can actually get a quick bounce. I don't know if I'm gonna get that though. Overall looks still bullish, right? So we'll see, guys. We hit that resistance there at 770 and we are kind of getting a pullback here back into the 760. Now, if we can hold this, then we get a bounce. Not a good looking chart. See. Yeah, I'm back to break even. I was gonna take my profit off the table pretty quickly. I kind of got a little late, and then I tried to add to my position, and I'm kind of stuck in this trade now, which is
order canceled. Order canceled.
We'll see. Let's see if you get a
order filled.
Order filled.
I need to bounce back up again.
Order filled.
Order filled.
My stop would be somewhere in that 740 zone if you get a pullback down. I'm definitely a lot more aggressive right now. I don't know if that was necessary, to be honest. That's the resistance there that we're kind of getting into, so we really have to hold this area now. Yeah, I'm down. I've got 10 micro contracts down about $50, but this could obviously turn into a pretty bad red trade if we can't hold this. So I'm gonna have to quickly try and maybe end up exiting this trade depending on how quickly, what sort of a pullback we get, right? So if it's a slow grind to the downside, then look for a bounce back up. But if we get a flush down, then that's a little bit of a problem. So right now we're kind of trying to hold, but then it's like, ugh, a bit heavy here in the zone, 760. There's definitely that bit of resistance kind of like sitting right above in that 765. So let's see if we can pierce through this and try to see if we can actually retest the higher at 776, Globex Asia. Oh, we're still not even, oh, we got Tokyo now, right? I keep forgetting about Tokyo, guys. Tokyo opens at, in about, how many more minutes? In about 11 more minutes, guys, and we're getting a pullback here now. Yeah, I didn't realize Tokyo is open in about in about 11 minutes. 1 hour is kind of preponderant, right? Because we got a daytime savings, so it looks pretty bearish. But yeah, I mean, overall, from a 1 hour candle standpoint, still holding, right? It's not a bad looking bullish candle that we have right now on a 1 hour chart. So maybe we have a chance of a little one more attempt to retest the high, but this pullback definitely I kind of miscalculated. I missed my TP to begin with right up there, and that was a bigger problem. All right, so I'm down to I've got 10 contracts and I'm down. Well, that kind of sucks because my thesis was actually pretty spot on. Just did not, well, now we're pulling back pretty heavy now, so I don't think I can full port this, but at least I'll try to add to my position if I get a little more confidence. I kind of expect a little more pullback down, I guess, right? Oh, look at this wick. It's kind of like indecisive wick. Could be the range bound too. Yeah, and this one I do not want to add right now, right here. That would be a little mistake. So let's see if we pull back into the 740 resistance. Yeah, Monica.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, moment of truth now. Either we flush it down or get a little pop back up again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice, nice.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Nice. Oh! Woo! Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, guys. 4 green today again, guys. Lots of green. Lots of green. We're having a lot of fun here, guys. All right, guys. I'm still holding this last 2 piece.
Order submitted.
And I'm gonna look for
Order
a.
submitted.
Let's see, guys. We could. All right, guys. Let me just exit that trade.
Order filled.
Oh my God! I exited at the right time. Oh man, this has some decent profit on this bad boy right now. All right, guys. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here again. Right, I'm gonna try and long on a pop here, guys. Oh, sorry, long on a pullback here down. All right, that's the idea.
Submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm kind of leaning more for a bounce today. So let's try to play the game.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm looking for a little pullback down now. Looking for a little pullback down. Let's take a look and see if, what kind of a pullback we're looking for. $745, $750 zone. Yeah, I mean, I would kind of say 749 to 750. So that would be right up here in this area. So I'm going to be looking for a pullback down to that level to give myself a chance to kind of get into this trade again. Yeah. All right, so that's the plan. The idea is we want to see ourselves maybe probably get a bounce back into the 950. Right, that's a long ways to go from here, but I almost kind of feel like, you know, as long as we kind of hold the 650 zone, then I think we have a chance of a call back up again into the 950s. Right? So anyways, guys, I'm here. I've placed my limit orders between 750 all the way down into the 730. right? And I'd like to have an average costing down into the 740s and try to look to go long here. We may even just get a bounce right now and not give a chance for me to get into my trade. Oh, Kid Poker. Guys, one second. I'm just going to go grab my water. I kind of feel like I'm dehydrated right now. Yapping all day. Yeah, I kind of ran out of my water. One second, guys. I placed my limit orders, right? You guys, watch my limit orders. Please take care of my limit orders. StockTiger is back. Oh my god, this market is pumping without StockTiger. That's no good. All right, guys. Now that we're at 770, guys, I may have to exit my limit orders, and we're gonna have to probably place them in the right spot now. All right, so we. All right, guys, I'm still looking for a pullback here. Let's see, get a pullback down into the 750s. How's your Tradify Grand Cup? My Tradify Grand Cup is fine. My Tradify Grand Cup is looking okay, I think. Need to break something, yeah. That's what I kind of felt this morning. I said to everybody on Discord this morning, and I was like, you know, I gotta break something, yeah, for sure. Any new payouts coming out? I'm looking for, of course, there is 10K, 10,000 payouts from Apex. I've got $1,500 payout from Tradify, maybe about $3,000 from Top Step, and maybe about $3,000 from Funding Tick. So I've actually got quite a lot of payouts that's kind of like, you know, working its way towards getting a payout. Just give me about 5 days. I think in 5 days we probably end up seeing quite a nice payout coming out for the month of November, right? You guys know I hit 25,000 last month, so last month I hit about 25K. You guys saw the video I posted, and so that's good. I think we could. I don't know. It's gonna get tricky. We're gonna have to watch and see. But I can almost tell you I could probably get to 20K this month. It could be more. I'm trying to go real slow, right? That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, 20K this month to start. That's my initial target that I can kind of confidently say. But again, it could change midway, maybe halfway down the road. Like mid-November, we'll take a look and see where we are standing. And then if we are pretty close to 20K, then we'll try to extend that to maybe 30K. and try to be better than November, right? We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I mean, we are obviously doing really well overall. We are taking lots of payouts, and we are saving accounts for longer too. So yeah, and you know, being able to trade a lot of different firms all at the same time with quite a few accounts, right? So I'm happy. I'm content right now, I'll be honest. And on top of that, we are trading the Tradify Grand Cup as well. And I got maybe another 5 or 6 accounts, kind of getting pretty close to funding too. So that's gonna get me to over 30 funded accounts here in the next few days. So
order filled.
I'm definitely content, and we may expect to see some pretty good size payout coming out as well. So 2468. Yeah, I mean, I kind of expect maybe about 10,000 from Apex alone for the month of November. Yeah, Apex 10K. Let's maybe do the math. I don't know. Let's do the little math calculator. All right, guys. By the way, we're pulling back here. I'm not happy with this pullback. That's a pretty nasty pullback here we're getting right now. We have to hold this level now, guys, man. 740. If you can't hold this level, we're in a little bit of a problem. All right, by the way, yeah, so I did say 10,000 from Apex alone. Because that's gonna be, I'm just trying to be realistic, right? 2,000 times 4 accounts, that's 8,000, and then I've got on Rhythmic, Apex as well, and that could be 3,000. But I'm just gonna say 10K to kind of round the number. And then now from this 10K, we've got Tradify 1,500. We could also get Lucid 1,500. We could also get Bulanox 1,500. Top Step, I kind of imagine myself getting to over 4,000. So, and then funding takes about 3K maybe, right? For now, I think funding takes will be a lot more, but I mean, so that's where we stand. Yeah, and Take Profit Trader about 3K. Yeah, so we're at 24. Yeah, it's definitely doable. I think 24,000. It could be similar to last month. I'll try to push for more, of course. Yeah, I'm trying to be a little conservative here. 25,000 definitely possible. We'll target 30K. Target 30K. Yeah. How many platforms do you use? I use a lot. I use Quantower. I use Tosstep X, Project X, Tradovate. What else? I think that's really it. Tradovate, Project X, and Topstep X, and Quantower. I use Quantower. I'm gonna try and use Quantower more often now going forward. Right? Which is your favorite, man? That's a really difficult question. I kind of like Quantower and Tradovate more now. I know if you asked me this 4 months ago, I would have said Project X, but I have a lot of problem with Project X, man. I just don't tend to. There's a bit of a problem, but I'm not gonna go through that right now. But if you ask me my favorite, I think it's Quantower, and then Tradovate, and then it's Project X. Oh yeah, Project X. Oh sorry, Quantower. You're trading Quantower with Apex? Yeah, I think that Quantower is definitely good. Yeah, for sure. All right, guys. Let's see if we can actually end up holding this. This is gonna be a very important level now. We gotta hold. So here we got a trend line here. So let's see if we can actually end up holding this. This is gonna be huge. If we can't hold this, I think we break it down. We may end up breaking down too. I don't know, man. We'll have to wait and see. Or this could be the double top here. I just don't like this. Well, yeah. I'm not gonna try and predict where it's gonna go. We'll just try to trade the price action for now. We are still respecting the trend line. So we'll see if we can actually retest the high. If we can do that, then I think we are going to create a higher low and try to curl back up again. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. We got a giveaway happening right now, Apex account giveaway. Go ahead and type in Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our beautiful Apex account giveaway, guys. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, which is not good, right? It almost kind of feels like it's going to flush it down, which is not good at all. Yeah, it's kind of trying to press down, so I don't like this. Let's see, though, if we can hold or not. We are like tapping that EMA support and the trend line support as well, so we'll see how it goes right here. This really looks like a bearish structure kind of playing out, but I'm just gonna wait until it actually ends up breaking, right? Maybe I'll exit my trade on our way down into the 740. Looks like we are breaking down now. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything. This could be a losing trade because I don't know if we are gonna be able to get a bounce. If we want to get a bounce, then we better do it right now, right here, without having to wait. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback instead. Yeah, you guys are shorting this market. The shorts are looking pretty good right now, but I'm definitely stuck on this. I'm gonna have to look for a quick scalp bounce, maybe, if I can actually get that. Yeah, we're hitting that, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see if we can actually try to get a quick scalp bounce if we can. If we can't do that, I think we have a big problem. I'm looking for a quick bounce here, guys. Quick bounce. If we can do that, that's great. We have that 740 support, so I'm kind of looking at that as a level of support, and then maybe we could get a little quick dead cat bounce back up again into the 750s, and maybe get a rejection of that level and try to get a pull back down again. Yeah, I could get cooked, man. I'm definitely doing the wrong thing here. I better be careful, guys. I'm trading funded account now. Obviously, I've been trading funded account throughout the entire duration, but yeah, I need a quick bounce, man. I really do need a quick bounce if you can. Into the 750. I don't know if we can do that, though. I'll try to get out of this trade, of course, right? So we have the level of support that I drew there. It's 740 is a great level of support. So I kind of expected some kind of a dead cat bounce, but I don't know if we can do that right now. Look, man, we actually got pretty close to my entry. Pretty close to my entry. I don't know if we're gonna, man, we are not able to hold that. That's no good, guys. You guys know I was trying to exit my trade, but my entry now is kind of like a resistance zone. That's what the problem is, right? Let's see if you get a quick pop here if you can. That's great, so I can exit my trade. This could be a very important level now. Oh my god, we are getting a push down, which is bad. Yeah, we just couldn't do it, man, unfortunately. Oh my god, yeah. Just couldn't do it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have to tilt this. Yeah, we could get all the way down to 700 now.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
God, man.
Order
filled.
Down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It looks very flushy now. Yeah, this is a major level of support. 730. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna exit that trade. Damn, guys, I'm down so much. I still have like $1,300 drawdown, but all right, guys, I'm gonna have to come up with some magic now. I'm gonna turn my eyes. Oh man, that was obviously too bad. Too bad. We'll try to make it up again. Oh my god, I missed that too.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Very fragile, guys. I'm still waiting for a little bounce, but this could be a very risky trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Yeah, the bounce is looking pretty weak, right? Yeah, probably have to move back to micro, man. I had a chance to get out of that trade before, but it was a little too late, I guess, right? So I've gotta be careful. Gotta be careful today.
Order canceled.
I had my chance, but oh well, the mistake's done now, so no turning back. It's already, the damage already done now, so we gotta find a way to call back up again. But this is the account that I'm having a little problem with the dashboard, and it's not updating as well, so that's another very annoying. Yeah, looks like a slow grind to the downside. Yeah, that's right. We could be. Let's see. Yeah, but that was definitely a nasty pullback there, and obviously I kind of, well, long story short, it's my mistake at the end of the day. So without going into too much details. All right, so 714 now. Let's see if we could get a little bit of a bounce. Oh well, kind of sucks, but it is what it is, guys, man. This is just part of the game, right? Unfortunately. Well, it looked pretty bad on well, today's, I don't know. Maybe I should have kind of realized that. All right, guys. I'm gonna look for a quick bounce if we can, and then I'm gonna look to short this market, guys. We'll see. Pretty oversold, and yet the market just could not get a bounce as well, right? So. Oh my god, look at this ugly price action, guys. We could just absolutely flush down. This is what it kind of looks like this market wants to do. We're retesting the low at 700 now. Oh my god, guys, we are just constantly pulling back here. This is a huge level now. Ah, dear.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
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 Order filled.
order sub order
Order filled. Order filled.
order
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 Order filled.
All right, guys, something is so effed right now with this market. Gotta be careful, guys.
order
Order filled.
Wow, that's a nasty pullback. I think we pull back all the way back into 25,600 after we get some kind of a bounce back up again. All right, guys, we are getting a little bounce, probably bounce back into 670s and then hit that ceiling there, resistance. Maybe we get a pullback from that level. I'm kind of watching this level as a resistance. I got another one here. I'm going to draw that too. All right, big level. Let's see if we hold this. If we can, then I think we push it down further. Big level down. Another one here. Okay, 675. Let's see if we get a bounce back into 675. All right, I'm gonna slowly try and add to my short position. I'll exit my trade if we get over 700. I'm gonna scale into my short position up until that area now.
Order submit. Order
filled.
Oh my god, it's just gonna go without me now, guys. Is that what it is?
Order
filled.
Let's take a look.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, here, this is gonna be a big one, right? This level is gonna be big, so I'm kind of watching this level now. Let's see if we get a bounce off this level and try to
order filled.
Get back up again, or oh my god, look at that, guys. Wow, we actually breaking out.
Order
filled.
Order canceled.
There we go, guys. Now let's see what happens now. This market gonna rip, or we get a nasty pullback now. Either one of the two. Very, very risky. Yeah, I will exit this trade probably in the 700 or 800, 750. Sorry, 720 area. That's where I'm gonna have to exit my trade. Oh yeah, we are getting a breakout now, right now, guys. This is a breakout. Oh my god. Breakout or rejection here, guys. One of the two. It's tough level to break, but I guess maybe we have a chance. I don't know. Yeah, I've got 20 contracts right now.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
my god, everyone. We are kind of holding. I don't know. It could just rip. That's an area of key support. So we got all the EMAs right there too. We could get a bounce. It could flush it down. Yeah, I've only got so much drawdown now. We'll see. Either StockTiger come back to life, or else you guys are gonna see StockTiger cry in the corner and go, whoa. Yeah, I mean, I don't have mouse in front of me, so it's like, now it's like it's here, okay? No mouse, no nothing. If you get a bounce, it's gone, it's gone. Goodbye, everybody. I've got no mouse. It's gone, it's not there anymore. Hello? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys want to see StockTiger win the battle, smack the like, guys. Love you guys. Mucho gracias, everybody. No bueno, no pasa nada, everybody. I've been in your live stream for the longest time. I've never seen you cry. Well, I don't cry in stream. Right after the streaming is over, I go, oh no! Merci beaucoup. Hey, français. Si oui. No pasa nada, brother. From Mexico. Alright, guys. Let's see what happens to the market now. I don't know. We're kind of like in that area of a major support. And so we may get a bounce. We may not. Depends, man. If you get a wick here, then I think it's gone, man. If you get a wick here, that's gone. Now, the thing is, are we going to be able to hold this, right? Maybe this could be a manipulative move. Could be a little bit of a trap for the bears, and then it's kind of like pushing up again. And that's gonna be a very sad day, because it's an important account. I kind of played, I got kind of played by the market, so put it that way. Now, see, we're kind of trying to hold this now. We're above the EMA on a 1 hour. We got above all the EMAs on my tick chart too. So I don't know, man. This is not good, right? This is not good. If we are gonna constantly hold this, now we have a big problem. Anyways, I guess it is what it is. Maybe it's time to say goodbye. I don't know, man. As when I'm like, you know what, it could be a perfect time to try and short this bad boy. I went a little aggressive, and now it's like getting a wick bounce. Oh my god, I can't believe that. Damn it, guys, I'm down. This is gonna be I'm gonna lose this account now. I've only got $500 drawdown. Oh my god, I can't believe it, guys. What a bad day. I can't believe what I'm just doing. And that was a bear trap wick. Oh my god. StockTiger. unless we get a rejection here. One last chance. One last chance. I don't know. Doesn't look like we're gonna break it down. From here, if it rips, it's gonna go pretty hard, pretty fast, right? So, and it looks like it wants to push. Look at that wick on a 1 hour chart, man. Damn it, frustrating. Oh my god.
Order
filled.
Fuck, it's gone. Shit. Damn, guys, I'm so pissed. That was a mistake. That was a very important account. Oh my god. I lost one in a very important account. We just got trapped by the... just got trapped there, man. Incredible. Oh... Yeah, that was a big, big mistake there. And I didn't have my stop either, right? So...
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
God, I'm so mad, guys. Oh my god. Incredible. I'm really mad on that account. That was a big bad mistake.
Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Oh my god, we're getting a rejection now? Like now? Are you serious about this? Yeah, what is going on with this market, guys? Is something going on right now? Is somebody talking or what? Yeah, I'm just gonna stick to this. You want to take me out? Just take me out. That's fine. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, just guys, I just need 2 minutes silence, and yeah, I'll be back. Just 2 minutes of silence. Just need a little bit of a timeout for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna keep my mouth quiet for a few minutes, guys. Yeah, that price action that we had earlier was definitely a dirty price action. Definitely, that was a clear bear trap, and then actually ended up moving pretty quickly too. So, which I should have seen, but yeah, there was a bit of a mental breakdown, if you will. So, back-to-back negative trade, kind of. I guess put me on tilt, I guess, right? Anyways, yeah, it is what it is. I kind of hate it a lot. The fact that I kind of lost a very important account makes me feel like crap, but yeah, I don't think my mind was at the right place too. So, oh well, it's just one of those moments. It's really hard to kind of be in control of your trades, but I thought I tried my level best to be on the right side. The thing is, man, we just did not have that fall through. It kind of faked me out, and then just obviously got a bounce, and that bounce was pretty big too, right? I mean, after getting that big pullback here, obviously you're kind of expecting that further pullback down, right, to kind of complete that flush. But I don't know. And now we're getting a bounce. Is that what it's trying to do? Incredible, guys, incredible. I don't know what to kind of make out of this price action. Yeah, I better be careful now that I've got quite a bit of damage on one of my account, right? So I've got to I've got to really keep an eye on this price action. It's not as clean. I mean, if it was, I don't know, maybe if it was New York, maybe I could have done a better job. The fact that you're trading the Globex Asia, sometimes it's not easy, right? Because it makes these funky moves that we don't normally see during New York, right? It's not a clean setup. It's just doing what it wants to really do, and that's what we've got today. Unfortunately, I lost. Just one of those days, I guess. Down on a very big account, so that kind of sucks. But we'll try to get it back again with something else, guys. We'll try to make it back up, guys. We'll on something else. Maybe the top step could kind of help me out. I don't know. But good. All right, guys. I'm gonna target $2,100, guys. Let's see if we get it, guys. And I'm gonna place my stop at the break even. Well, not like I'll probably, yeah, maybe a break even. I'll place my stop at the break even. And if it stop me out and maybe get a bounce back up again, I think that's probably a better idea instead of trying to be down pretty hard. So you know what? I'll try to place it there, risking about $120. Yeah, $220 I'm gonna be risking on this trade, and see if this thing ends up stopping me out, then I'm gonna look to try and short on a pop. back into the VWAP. I wonder if this market's gonna just literally bounce. It's gonna be tough to do that too. We'll see. We got some long ways to go, right, to the New York. We still have another 12 more hours to go for this for the New York, right? So. Alright guys, I'm here. I'm trying to short. I've got my stop here at 696, 694. And if I get stopped out on that one, I want to try and reload right above that in that 704 area. I don't know. This market trying to get a bounce, or I'm not really sure what it's trying to do.
Order filled.
Alright guys, I got stopped out there. I'm down, of course. We're gonna look to try and short again. Maybe it's a long setup or what now? I don't know. It looks like it's down trending. Let's just move this to 30 minutes chart. I still like a pullback down. Let's try to see.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna risk this account, guys. We'll see how it goes. I'm looking for maybe a pullback down into the 620s. Maybe try to get a bounce back into the VWAP. Maybe the VWAP bounce, maybe, right? But again, maybe it's trying to get back into the VWAP. Yeah. I'm taking a stab here, guys. Yeah, it's too slow. Now all of a sudden the price action is really slow, hey? Really, really slow. It's not moving at all. And I'm down. Great. It took everything out and then it's like really slow. It's like, well, the game is over now. Everybody, time's up. Yeah. And then it's really slow and then it's gonna just pop. Pop or break. Like, you know what I mean? Not do anything. And then suddenly it's gonna make a move. And that's what it is, Asian market, right? That's how it's been. And I don't even know why I'm trading this account, but maybe I'm on a tilt mode right now. Gotta be yeah, it's trying to retest the VWAP, right? I think that's what it's trying to do. Or maybe not. Back into the 700 now. Oh my god, look at this bounce. Oh yeah, I'm definitely having a rough day for sure right now. Versa, what is going on, man? What is up, brother? I was just gonna call back up again. What a difficult day to trade. I don't know if it's just me. We're not getting that sort of a... I'm not getting what I need, which is a problem. Huge problem, oh. I guess one of those Asia Globex. What is up, man? 8 kill cow. Savage. Pronounce it savage. There we go. Lost in heaven. What is up, man? Lost in heaven, brother. Nightwalker, Captain Price, Making Petal, Jeffrey, what up? Everybody, guys, man, don't worry about me. I'm okay. I feel like crap, but you know what? I'm a human. I need 5 to 10 minutes, kind of like a break, to kind of refresh myself. I'm getting back to normal now. So. But I do need 5 to 10 minutes to kind of like give myself a little bit of a break, right? So. And I kind of feel like I'm getting there now. I'm kind of refreshed. I need some time to really give myself a few minutes to refresh myself and forget about everything that just happened before, right? And I'm kind of getting there. So I thank you guys for your patience. I love you guys. You know, StockTiger always comes back. This is what it's all about. But I still need some few minutes to to reset myself too, right? So. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here down. We got obviously StockTiger got punched in the face, a big one, a big punch in the face. I kind of got knocked out. I got a KO, unfortunately, and now we're getting a chance to kind of go back to break even. I don't know if we are going to get that. We'll try our level best, guys. I'm still holding on to this. I'm gonna place my stop at the break even now. And let's see what happens. Not taking anything out. We'll see if if this thing gets to bounce back up, that's fine. I'm gonna be out at break even, which is also cool. But I'm gonna hold on to this, guys. We'll see what happens. Monica, you have a great night. Yeah, sorry for your loss. Hey, that's fine, man. We all lose accounts. I lose accounts all the time, but that account kind of made me a little bit more disappointing because now it's just not the kind of an account that you wanted to blow like that, right? It was a very bad discipline I've shown, and you know, I need definitely I definitely need a timeout. But yeah, it kind of sucks, but it is what it is. This is the price action I was looking for. The problem is it just went a little bit higher, but obviously I'm not gonna talk about it. Anyways, guys, let's try to focus on this trade now. If we end up getting a bounce, I'm gonna be totally okay. I'm gonna freaking hold on to this, right? I'm gonna freaking hold on to this. And if we get a bounce and stop me out, I am all cool. And that was my funding ticks master account with a little less than $3,000 of profit on it. And StockTiger ended up blowing that account, which is great. All right, guys. The low 655. Let's see if we break it down. I've got my eyes on that 655. Maybe when we test that, I'm gonna try and see. I mean, if he pulls back here, then I'm gonna take one off the table on that in that area now. Take one off of the stream. Yeah. I'm not doing that. Maybe Dan is right. I should take one off, I guess, but I'll wait till I'll wait for a little more push down. 663. Or this could be the double bottom. No, man, I'm just gonna hold on to this bad boy right now. Watch this. If we, I mean, hey, again, if it stopped me out, that's fine. Whatever. Well, I guess we gotta get a bounce. Let me try to be a little patient on this one. See if we can get that breakthrough. A pullback here. A retest the low. If we get a bounce, and you know, it'll be pretty unfortunate if he ends up stopping me out, I guess, at the break even, but just one of those moments. It's frustrating, obviously, but you know, oh well. Oh well, it's just one of those moments. It looks like we are coming back up again. Yeah, I mean, it looks like, not yet, until it does. Anything can happen during Globex ASIA, of course, guys. We'll see if you get another leg to the downside, guys. We may get another round. We'll see. I'm trying to be as patient as I can. And let's see if it pays off. Or maybe ends up stopping me out at the break even. At least that way I'm not losing anything, right, on this trade. I've got a mental TP here at the 665 area, and I'm not putting that right now because, you know, the market sees me place my TP. It's never gonna get there. Every time it goes away from my TP, by the way, every time I try to do that, so that's what's really annoying sometimes. Yeah, today's been annoying. Reward traits, man. Day 3 completed funding ticks. Nice, brother. Good job. Good job. Good job, man. I don't even know why. Like, see, hey, the problem is it's not about that trade that I made. We know that was a bad trade and I got knocked out. The problem here is I traded an account where I only needed $150 and I'm like going so aggressive on my trade. What was I thinking? You know what I mean? That's where I'm kind of going, okay, well, what the heck was the problem? When you had $2,900 of profit on that, a little less than $3,000, you know what I mean? There's absolutely no reason. And that's what frustrates you sometimes, because that's the kind of an account that's really hard to rebuild, right? It takes a lot of time to kind of build an account for over $3,000 of profit on it. And if you have taken so much time to do that, and in one shot you just let it go, it happens to me time to time, not regular, but it's once in a while. And today is that day that kind of got me, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, I go aggressive and I DC too much, that's fine. But I normally do that a lot more often on newer accounts and accounts that really I kind of feel like maybe I could take a stab, you know what I mean? But not normally on accounts like that, and that's got $3,000 of profit on it. And that's what I'm trying to tell you, you know what I mean? That's where I'm kind of feeling a little pissed, you know what I mean? So I know it's my mistake, I get that, you know, but sometimes you're kind of like trying to smash your head against the wall because you're like, oh, you know, the stuff like that should have never happened. And I do that,
Order
you know, I
filled.
do that. That's very unfortunate. I took one profit off the table, guys. I'm up $1,000 now. Okay, and let's see, guys. I've got my stop here at 682. So now I'm gonna have to wait and see what this market does. I wonder if I have to close this and maybe move to MNQ. Right? Maybe move to MNQ. I don't know, man. We got this low here now. We got the low here, guys. Here. I wonder if you get a quick bounce back up again. Or we just flush it down. I do not think that this could be a double bottom here. I do not think that's the case. Now, if I'm wrong, I guess I'm gonna get stopped out. I make some profit on that trade, but I'm gonna still stick to this, guys. There's a support, yes. There is a support in that area. I see that, yeah, absolutely. But the fact that we got a rejection of that 706 right underneath the VWAP, it almost kind of makes me feel like, you know, we got some more ways to go. And maybe if this market really truly wants to get a pullback for New York tomorrow, then, you know, I guess it's happening right now. And this could be the start of a more bigger rollover down into tomorrow morning that we were kind of expecting today. And of course, the market always found a way to disrupt the trend. We had a beautiful trend and it was a spot on. The market was getting ready to get into that correction mode, right? And we thought we got it last night, and we thought that's going to roll over into the next day, which is today, this morning. And of course, the market decides to pump back up again, like as if last night was never there, never existed, really. All right, so I'm up here. I'm up a little over $1,000. As you guys can see, I think, yeah, I'm up over $1,000 now. So I'm gonna be looking for a pullback now, continuation, see if we can actually grab a last piece, big flush down. Maybe, hopefully, we get something out of this. Got two running short target 550. You got 550. That's way down. Hoover Flag Trader, man, your target's way down. 550 is right down there. That's huge. I mean, I'm not gonna disagree that we may end up getting pulled back all the way down there. The probability is definitely slightly higher for a more pullback continuation, but I don't know. We're trading Asia Globex, right? So it's gonna be hard sometimes. Wow, that was a nice little support bounce back up again, guys. 566. Sorry, 666 right now. All right, 1 second. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I wonder if I have to add one more right now. Maybe not. Look at that bounce, guys. There is still a lot of strength in this market for a bounce back up again. Very interesting and very interesting plus frustrating. Just very stubborn now. We got 2 weeks in a row back to back, guys. I don't know if this is gonna be an easy pullback down. Maybe I should have taken profit there, and try to roll into my micro trade. I don't know, man. This is, fuck my god, this is just frustrating. I'm gonna add one more. Why is this not adding? Oh my god.
Order filled.
Alright guys, I've added one more, and then I'm gonna place my stop at the break even. Alright, that's it. Or maybe I should, yeah, not stop at the break even, maybe here. Risk about 250 and look for a pullback down again. See? If we end up getting a balance, yeah, that's 185. Looks bouncy, guys.
Order
I exited
filled.
that trade. Oh my god, back to break even. Oh, fuck me. Man. Ah.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna be risking about $400 again. Let's see if we get a pullback now. That's pretty much reattempt. I've kind of gave back pretty much all the, well, not all the profit. I kind of made $700 on that trade, but I mean overall on this account, I was down slightly. So it's kind of like at the break even now at this point. All right, guys, I'm gonna move my stop to break even now on this one. I'm gonna reset. Do you trade NKD? No, I don't trade NKD, unfortunately. And guys, it's hard for me to respond back to the chat because everybody's typing in Tiger because of that giveaway, and that's why I'm not reading the chat as much. My apologies, guys, because of the giveaway. I'm like, it's really hard to know what's going on because everybody's typing in Tigers. So if you got any questions, And if I'm not responding back, please type it again if you don't mind. Thank you guys for your understanding. All right, so here we are again. I went short on that bounce back, and I'm going to be looking for a pullback again. We'll see if we can do that right now. I took a stab, 2 contracts again. Let's see if we get something out of this now, guys. Maybe this could be it. I don't know. Maybe not. Who knows? Yeah, I'm still holding the guess now. Maybe it's moving now. Jeez, guys, incredible. Maybe it's moving now. I don't know, man. Maybe flush it down. I don't know. Maybe flush it down. Yeah, I mean, once I'm done streaming, I don't think I'm going to be trading at all today. I need to kind of recoup, refresh myself back again. All right, chat. My fellow traders said him to take profits right off the level here, so I'm going to have to do that. Yes, sir. But let's make sure it pulls back to that level, though. We're in this together, right? So I'll take my profit on that, and that's 656, and that's the first level of support. I'm taking it now. If it doesn't pull back here, I'm gonna blame it on you. Are we gonna hit it right now? Are we? Come on. I think you can do this. You can certainly do that. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding, guys. Is it actually going to hit me? Is it not? Alright, guys, let me just take it off quickly before you get a bounce. Wow. Let's see. One more push down. One more push down, guys. I think we could do that right now. On a flush, I'm going to quickly take my profit. On a flush. But I need that flush, okay? I need that flush. Oh my god, I'll take it right now, man. I'll take it right now. Just in case. Alright, so now I've taken one off the table. We are back in action, I guess, right? We are back. We are back, guys. Oh, that accounts $1,100 now. So let's try to see if we can actually bank some more, right? Let's see if we can actually get a nice little flush down. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't tell me you're gonna get a bounce now again, guys. Come on. Now, don't. Just don't do that, market. Don't be so mean to us, right? We got 400 viewers now. We're all in this together, right? So, like, don't give me a bounce. I don't need a bounce. We don't need a bounce, do we? No, I'm in a 50K, man. I'm in a 50K account. I hardly trade 150s, by the way, guys. I hardly trade 150s. If you that nervous, take the money. StockTiger's never nervous, man. I may say nervous, but inside me, I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I don't get too nervous with my trades. Sometimes I realize, oh shit, you know, I made a mistake right after the fact that you're actually in a trade. But I don't go, okay, well, inside me, I don't get very nervous. If I lose, I lose, you know, that's what it is. But I don't go crazy, or I mean, I get pissed, right? Just like what I did on the last one. When I do stupid stuff like that, I get really mad, you know. That's the only thing that comes to me. But really, other than that, it's like, you know what, just part of trading. Sometimes I throw my phone against the wall sometimes, but you know, but if it's going to make me feel a lot better, then I do that, you know. And I've got some cracks on my phone too, but you know, we all humans, right? We get into stuff like that whether we like it or not, and that's totally okay, guys. Sometimes it's okay. You know, it's okay. It's you know, at least we're being honest, right? You know, it's not like we're not like, let's not try to be you know, like we're like perfect, you know. We're nobody's perfect, you know. I make a lot of mistakes, and I get upset sometimes. But the biggest difference between me now and 10 years ago is one thing, right? When I make huge mistakes, I tend to forget in about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm like completely a new person. I'm like I forgot about what happened 15 minutes ago, and then like I'm a completely new person starting today. So that's the big difference, right? And that doesn't like that. That's not like, you know, you're training yourself. It just happened to be that way because I've been trading for so long, right? So it comes over time. You know, something that you have to understand that, yeah. Guys, how many people are actually typing in Tiger, man? Are you typing, like, making duplicates over and over again? You're only gonna get one ticket anyways, right? So can you only do it once, please? How many types do you want to do? Like, only thing I see right now is Tiger, Tiger, Tiger in this chat. Just do once. Like, I'm gonna see Tiger in my dreams now, guys. I may have to find a different way to do the giveaway. Oh my god, everybody, incredible, guys, man. I'm trying to be a little patient on this because obviously you guys know I got beat up in my last trade, and so I'm trying to take a little step back here. So, you know, you guys are not gonna see me go order fill all the way throughout the whole entire duration of the day. So anyways, I got into this trade now. I had too many contracts. I took one off the table right in that 655 or 660. I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. And then I've got this one last piece. I'm looking for that flush down. Right? Flush down to the south. Slushy, flushy, whatever. Yo. Somebody asked me, you want to talk about Funded Next? What about Funded Next? I've got Funded Next account here with me. I don't know where it is. Yeah, I've got Funded Next. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 accounts with Funded Next right now, and these are pretty close to. I'm gonna have 5 funded accounts with Funded Next. They're mostly to 25K accounts. And I got it at. I don't think I'm gonna be okay to kind of pay the price that they have now. But I was paying, I think I paid a little less than $70 on their 25K account. And these accounts that I have now has no consistency. And that's because of the Halloween. When they had a Halloween offer like a week ago, these were accounts that they took the consistency off, right? So, but if you're buying it now, then you have the 40% consistency and you've got 3 days to pass, right? And you're allowed to have 2 mini contracts, and what else now? 2 mini contracts on a challenge and 3 mini contracts on your when you get to the funded stage. There's no activation fee, it's a one-time fee, and there's no daily loss limit like Tradify or Lucid Trading account. And I like the 25Ks because the 25K accounts are very cheap. I paid 69 on their legacy accounts, so it's pretty good. Guys, I'm gonna do a legacy account giveaway too pretty soon here. I'm just I'm working through this process. So yeah, if you want to go with the legacy one, I probably think the 25 case is probably like, you know, I kind of feel like, you know, it's my sweet spot because the drawdown on that is 1-to-1, including the target. So it's only 1250 is what you need, and at the same time, the 1250 is the drawdown as well. So you have it's not bad. And if they only allow you 2 mini contracts, I think that's it doesn't. Yeah, you know, even if you go full 2 mini contract, you still could survive that trade. All right, guys, it's hitting my target now. Oh my god, is this real? Is this real, everybody? Am I up $2,000 on this freaking trade? Am I up $2,000? All right, guys, let's see if we can actually get a pullback. One more pullback, guys. One last piece. Let's try to see if we can actually bring it down, guys. 25,600, guys. Let's do it. Come on. One last man, one last push down. Come on, let's go, baby. You know you want to bring it down to 600. I know it. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a discount here. Instead of putting myself in 600, I'm gonna put at 603. Okay. That's my final discount to you. Oh my God, guys, we're getting a bounce. Damn it. I need this profit, guys. I need this profit to kind of make it up. To kind of make it up from what I lost on my last trade, guys. I need a pullback here. No. No. Oh my God, guys. You've got to be kidding, guys, man. It had to freaking do it right now. Wow, amazing. It had to do it right now, guys, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. Not now. Oh, so frustrating. Anyways, I keep pushing my SL. I keep pushing. I think the market got pissed that come on, we get it. We can push it down, baby. Let's go. Come on. Oh no. Come on, man. I know you can do this, brother. I know you're able to do that. Give me that flush, man. I need that $300. And then we kind of break even after that. Oh. Oh, man. Looks like we got to get a bounce. Or no, maybe. I don't know. We could be pushing it down. What a battle here, guys, man. I'm going to exit this trade right now. Yeah, I'm going to exit this trade.
Order filled.
Oh my God, I exited that trade, guys. I just couldn't handle that, guys. I couldn't handle that. I tried, but I couldn't. But that was a good trade, which I kind of like it. But I'm gonna have to move to MNQ and see if I can actually do some one last trade of the day. Wow, look at that bounce though. Hey, wow, man, it's just incredible. All right, guys, I'm gonna move to something else. I'm gonna lock it in. I don't really think I need to trade this bad boy right now, right? I don't see a reason why I even want to be doing that. So let's see, guys. I'm gonna have to trade a little safe. All right, so I'm gonna trade this bad boy now. Do we get a bounce back up again, guys? I'm gonna try and long.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna try and long, guys. I look for a bounce back into the VWAP, right? I'm not gonna look for something big here on this trade, by the way.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. There we go, guys. I'm up 16 contracts. Now I'm gonna be looking for a bounce back into the VWAP here. Let's see if you get it, guys. I will take my profit along the way. You guys know the drill. We've been doing this for a long time now.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
All right, guys. So what a beautiful
filled.
re-add. I had re-added.
Order filled.
I added more. Wow, this is nice,
Order
guys. I like
filled.
it. I like what I see now.
Order filled.
You guys see that? I added more on a pullback there after peeling profits off the table on the way on a bounce. All right, guys. I'm down to 8. I'm down to 9 now. Oh my God! Now we're getting a pullback. Jeez. See, guys. Oh my God! Look at this, man. Well, I guess StockTiger got a little too excited there for a moment. That's a nasty pullback there. I don't like that. See. Oh my God! Look at that pullback, guys. Incredible. Let's see. Oh my God! This is gonna pull back further.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I made some profits in this. I do have some kind
Order
of room,
filled.
if you will, to kind of risk a little more than what it's supposed to be.
Order filled. Order
All
filled.
right, guys, what a beautiful trade on that one again, man. I took a stab on that, but the thing is, it's volatile. It's too volatile. I'm having a hard time trying to gauge this market, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
It looks like it looks like a great trade for like what minute, and then it's like looks pretty bad a minute after.
Order filled.
All right, guys, it's order filled now, so maybe we continue getting an order fill. Yeah, one mistake today kind of knocked me down on the one very important account,
Order
but other than
filled.
that, I think everything's fine. Yeah, nothing much I can do, man. I'm pissed, of course. Yeah.
Order filled.
All right, guys, here I am. I'm gonna. This is my last trade on this account because I do want to close this account now.
Order filled. Order
All right,
filled.
guys, I'm down to 9 contracts. Keeps going. That's good.
Order filled.
All right, guys, not a bad trade.
Order filled.
We'll take one more. We'll take one more here now. We'll take one more here. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, one more. Down
Order
to
filled.
5 now, guys. Down to 5. Down to 5.
Order filled.
Yeah, this account's looking good too. Yeah, I made $400 now. Yeah, maybe down to 5. What the down to 4 now. All right, guys, move my stop to break
Order
even.
filled.
My final take well, if it's gonna keep moving here.
Order filled.
Oh my God, it keeps moving, guys. My final take profit right now, getting pretty close here, guys. 670 area. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade now. Oh my God, too bad. Well, I could hold on to this a little longer. See you guys. I'll exit on a push up. Well, maybe not get in that. I think we could get a nice little push here to the upside, but I guess not. I think we could maybe get up to 668. No. $668. Yeah, hey man, I'm a human. I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes too, right? It's you know
Order
what I mean?
filled.
But I still get a lot of payouts, right? So that's good. All right, guys, man, I'm gonna have to exit this right now. I think this is it here. All right,
Order
actually that
filled.
trade, that's over $400 of profit on that. I like it. I've got yeah, my accounts on the XFAs are kind of building, which is great, and that's really exactly what I'm looking for, right? On these accounts, we get in there. I'm gonna now trade another one here. All right, guys. Now we still have a chance of a bounce back into the VWAP on a 30 minutes chart back into 690. It looks still weak though. I still don't like it on a 30 minutes chart. Still looks a bit bearish, right? Overall, the structure still hasn't changed. I mean, after getting that rejection off that 8:55 during New York power hour, when we started to get that crack there in the morning, right up here, I'm kind of going, okay, well, I think we could continue this rollover down and retest 25,400 area. Right here, we hit that, and I kind of feel like we could be pulling back, but it's a bit too early, I would say. We had a chance of doing that if we continued pulling back from the 616 or 600, if you will. But then we got a nice strong bounce off that level 600, so it's like right here, right? This almost kind of feel like the short-term bottom now, because we got a bounce off that level, which is critical. And if we didn't hold this level, then obviously we were kind of expecting this market to kind of continue pulling back, right? But we got a nice beautiful bounce, so kind of makes me feel like, you know, maybe we continue moving to the upside for tonight. That is, I don't know, that's what I kind of feel like this market may end up doing. So we got a VWAP here now that we gotta we may try to get back into the VWAP. I wonder why this VWAP has actually changed. It was kind of down in that 670. Now it's up at 698. And this is the same 100 ticks chart. It's weird. CV, of course, have a resistance here as well. So not there. It's right up here. So we're kind of getting pretty close to that the resistance now. We got to pierce through this to kind of get back into the 700. Yeah, I'm not sure. Hey Tiger, when you passed your funding ticks pro eval, did the email they sent you say your account is currently under review by our team? Yes, you get an email normally after it's passed. Automatically they send you an email that your account is under review, and then it would usually take about a day to get to your funded account, right? Where are you from, Tiger? I'm from I'm originally from Hawaii. No, man, Ill Spring and roll, man. I'm just kidding, man. I'm not from Hawaii, man. I'm just kidding. I was I'm not from Hawaii. The review happens every time you pass evals, yeah. But that review is obviously, it's always like, the review is just for a intended purpose, you know, like it's always passed. Like, and then I've never seen them send me an email saying it's failed. Right? I've never seen them do that. Yeah, right. Away from Busan. I'm from Korea. Yeah, originally from Korea, but we're here in Canada now. All right. So, what's your ranking on your Tradify, man? StockTiger still there in that ranking, still on the leaderboard, still kind of surviving in that battle zone. Still there, guys. Still alive and well. Do we have anybody here that's on that leaderboard? Anybody want to let me know? No, nobody. That's yeah. So my ranking 242. That's I don't know what that means. I don't know what this ranking would really take you to where now. Yeah, I know the 106 is insane. Yeah, I don't know how they do that. I have no idea how they did that. I kind of feel like, you know, in order to do that, you've got to be like extremely, yeah, you got to get extremely aggressive, right off the bat. Like, let's say if you went 2 mini contracts on gold and the gold pulls back 60, 80 points, you're literally getting like over $10,000-$20,000 right off the bat. And that's where you're banking. But the problem is you could also lose that account. So are you willing to take a risk? You know what I mean? That's where I'm not sure. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Green Trump. Oh, Green Trump, are you there? I think you were there on the leaderboard, right? I'm not sure where you are right now, but yeah, I like to get that. You know, but the thing is, though, I don't think I can go to the live account. You guys know, we have a little issues with my live. But anyways, we'll give it a try. Who knows? We'll give it a try. But I hope it's okay. Hopefully they figure a way out to get me to live account. I don't know if they can do that though, but it should be. I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. I don't know who goes to live account though. Is it top 200? Is that what it is? Is that 200 top 200? Maybe go live. God, man, I'm so pissed at what happened today with the with that account. Still thinking about it a little bit. Oh, you did 200. Oh man, but you know what? To get to 200, it's gonna be tough. You made 10K? No, did I make 10K? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I made 10K. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I made 10K. Yeah, I made 10,000 right up here. I made 10K. Oh shit, guys, the market pulling back here. One second. Ah, I missed this move.
Order filled.
I missed this move, guys. Okay, once again, I'm gonna try and short this market, guys.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can actually get a nice little pullback here, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I'm down to 2. I'm not down to 2. I've got 10 micro contracts here right now, guys. Let's see if we get a pullback here. I'm gonna try and reload on a pullback here down. So on a bounce, I'm gonna try and roll, get more contract size in. All right, guys, we'll see.
Order filled.
I'm risking about a little over $300 to kind of try and make a little over $500, guys, on this trade.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we'll see now. I may get this, I may not, I'm not sure. We'll try our level best, guys, to get this bad boy up and running down. Follow through, extension down into the 650s
Order
will be really
filled.
nice, guys.
Order
Oh my,
filled.
mochaccino, guys. We are getting that pullback here. Nice, guys. I like that. Oh, no. Easy trade. Easy trades are fast ones. Yeah. I mean, not always. Sometimes. Sometimes.
Order filled.
We'll look for
Order filled.
more pullback down.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we're getting that follow through now. We'll see. Oh my God, how hard can this be to just get a pullback here down to 650s, man? Really annoying sometimes. All right, guys, I'm gonna be risking about $250 on this trade now. All right, guys, I'm not gonna add any more to what I have now. I kind of feel like, you know, we really break it down to 650, guys. I'm banking on that right now. Let's see if it happens. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, I definitely need this trade. Yeah, 100%, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, risking about $350 now. Let's see. Oh my God, we're gonna break it up? You've got to be kidding, guys. I'll be very upset if he does that. Oh no. We just literally broke out of the area now. Oh dear. Hold on one second, guys. I still like it down. I'm just gonna get rid of my SL. Right, I'm just gonna get rid of that right now. Yeah, this is going to be a very important trade.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Yeah, I don't think I can add anymore. That's it. 20 micros, guys. Now I'm going to have to look for a pullback. I don't know if we're going to get that, though. That's it, guys. That's all I have now.
Order filled. Order
oh my
filled.
God, guys, look at that pullback. See, I told you this is looking not okay, maybe.
Order
oh
filled.
my God. Man, it's rough, man. It's rough. Rough. I don't even know what I'm saying right now, to be honest. It is so rough, guys. It is so difficult to trade today. This price action we're getting today is just an absolutely messed up. That is all I can say. Tough trade, difficult to trade. We got a lot of news coming out right now. It almost kind of feels that way. And this market is just all over the place. And I'm just having a really difficult time trying to gauge. My conviction of my trades are kind of not as great, I'll be honest. It's not easy, guys. Not easy to trade today. Today is definitely a very difficult day because we're not getting that trending day, right? We're just getting that bit of a chop, but the chop is not like a small range bound. It's a pretty big range bound, and that's where you kind of get caught on the wrong side, and then you get blow your account, right? And that's what the difficult thing about today is. No trend, and the range is pretty large, and that's what the problem is. And now I'm looking for a pullback, and I don't know if I'm gonna get that too. We're kind of like hovering in the area, but very risky. So guys, I placed a lot of limit orders now in that literally about 4 points away from where we are now. So I mean, is it really not doable? I don't know,
Order
man.
filled.
Well, let's see if we can try to fill all this orders, my limit orders. A quick 5 points pullback would be really nice if we do that now. It's gonna give me a chance to kind of lock in quite a decent profits. We got a pullback though. We really got to get a pullback to do that. Let's see, guys. I'm down now, down. So I placed all my orders. So I don't know. Now it's really up to the market. It looks like it wants to get a bounce. At the same time, it looks like it wants to flush it down. 50-50 at this point. We'll see, guys. Did the giveaway happen? Oh shit, man. I completely forgot about the giveaway now. Oh wow. I'm so sorry, guys. We'll do a giveaway. Let me just try to finish off this trade. It looks like I'm getting cooked on this bad boy. Oh my god, look at that bounce, guys. Oh wow. Got knocked out on that. Incredible, guys. Look at that, pierce through that, all that level. I'm down $200 in this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so here we are, guys. Retest the high, maybe. That's what it is. This thing could actually go to back into the VWAP at 696. And that's going to be a huge disaster on this trade. Well, I had a chance, man. It kind of held that area, so I'm like, you know what? And that was I should have known that. I may have to exit this trade now. Maybe it's a double top here too. I don't know. This could be a double top, maybe. Looks like it wants to go. Yeah, we could just pierce through this. I don't know. Some kind of rejection may be doable. We could roll down, but it's just not doing that right now. Man, what was that bounce all about, to be honest? I don't understand that. Let's see if you can actually get some I don't know. I'm still leaning more bearish, but this market is just still very stubborn. Very stubborn, very difficult to trade. It's the chop is pretty wide range, so that's a bigger problem. Very difficult to trade in this sort of a price action. Literally about 80 points range. It's a lot, and it's moving pretty quickly too, right? The moves are very quick. It's not like, you know, slow grind, you know, the usual Globex Asia trade. It's been a difficult one to trade, to be honest. I'm gonna be real. All right, guys. So here you go, guys. Retesting that EMA. Let's see if we get a bounce off this level now, or maybe we get another flush down. On a 30-minute chart, it doesn't look as bullish though. I don't know why it. Yeah, it doesn't look as bullish on a 30-minute chart. I'll be honest. Maybe try to retest the 90, but I don't know. Oh, guys, we're in a new hour candle now. This is gonna be very important how we kind of what kind of a candle we form here. It's gonna be truly important, of course, right? Then we get either we get a bounce back into the VWAP, or we roll over down and retest the low. So new candle here on a 30-minute chart now, guys. This is gonna be huge. So far, looking like a green candle, but never know. Let's just wait for a few more minutes and see what kind of a candle we form here. Yeah, we could also get a flush down. Yeah, absolutely, no doubt about that. Yeah, this couldn't be any more bullish on a 30-minute chart. We have to wait till it actually forms, right? Right now we just had this new candle now. So gosh, man, look at that. We hit my entry, and obviously you got to bounce off that level now. Yeah, it's not easy to trade Globex Asia. Generally speaking, and it's just made things even worse now. So all right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Is that what it is, or no? How hard can this be, man? Just my gear. Oh dear.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Ah, I need that push down, guys.
Order filled.
We need to get in that now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So that 30 minutes chart candle is kind of forming a bearish one now. Bearish candle kind of forming. So we may try to retrace back into the 650. So we got to break it down underneath the 650 now. We are right now sitting at 659.
Order
Let's
filled.
see, guys, if we get it right here, right now. I'm with 9 contracts here and looking pretty good too.
Order filled.
One more. Let's just take one more off the table.
Order filled.
Let's try to take some more off the table pretty quickly here, just in case we get a bounce, right? I'm gonna take one more off the table.
Order filled.
All right, guys, here we are. We're getting that pullback. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys haven't done so, please, if you guys want to support the stream, thank you so much, everybody, for doing that. You guys know how much I appreciate that, right? If somebody asked me what's your ranking again, yeah, I did say it's 240. It's right up here. Yeah, but you gotta be in that 200, right? And I'm right now sitting at 240. Do you guys think I could actually make it to 200 to kind of go into the live account? Maybe. I think I should be able to do that.
Order filled.
Because I'm down to 5 now, guys. I'm down to 5, and this is rolling over now, which is great. Which is great.
Order filled.
Just more profits just building on this XFA accounts, guys. Man, I like that. Right? That's really what we need. That's really what I need. No damage on my XFA account. The only damage I have is the funding ticks funded account, which obviously it's a beautiful account, and I completely found a way to absolutely get destroyed on that one.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm gonna I still think we pull back further with this sort of a candle that we have right now, man. I just kind of feel like we got some more ways to go to the downside, right? Look at this 30 minutes chart, guys, man. We just retraced 50% of this previous candle. And now, if we can't hold this area, the 650, I think we pull back all the way down into the 630s. And that's where I got my final target, my final take profit there. If we do that, right? It's not like it's... I was kind of waiting for this candle to kind of form on that 30 minutes chart. And initially, like I said again, initially it looked bullish, but I said, you know, we have to wait a few more minutes to kind of get this candle to kind of form, either bullish or bearish. And we just created a bearish candle now. So now, if we can't hold this level now, I think we pull back all the way down into the 30s. We'll see, guys. This is another level that to kind of watch. I wouldn't mind, like, I don't care if you get a bounce here. I'm gonna have my heart stop there in that 660s, and I'm gonna walk away. Yeah, that's a pretty decent profit that I made on this bad boy. That's literally about $400 now, so I'll take it. It's you know, it's a hard earned, hard earned, guys. Can this trading be any more difficult? Yeah. Lots of noise, lots of you know, what do you call this? Lots of news, earnings, market conditions constantly change every day. It's I wish it was just one-sided trade, you know, just long all day long, and it keeps moving up. And if you know that's the case, you just keep adding to the long side, and you may still make everybody still make money. All right, guys, here we go, guys. Are we gonna break it down now? Right? Are we gonna do that? It looks pretty heavy, so I kind of feel like we break it down, but who knows? This Globex ASIA has tricked me twice today, so I wouldn't be surprised if he does another one here. There we go, guys. I told you, man. It tricked me, which is fine. I'm not down as much on this bounce. Or are we gonna get a pullback now? It tried to fake me out, and then maybe... hold on, guys. I'm just gonna exit this. Oh my god, look at that. Is that real? Alright, guys, I may try to add a few more.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, guys, I've got 7 contracts now. 7 contracts. I've added some more. Let's see if we get a pullback here. If we don't do that, then I'm gonna, yeah, that's fine. I'll exit this trade. Let's see, guys. We're getting pretty close. Let's see if we get a
Order filled.
pullback here. Look at that, guys. We are getting a pullback here.
Order filled.
Oh my God! Look at that. Nice.
Order filled.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice, guys. Nice. I like that, guys. I like that very much. Thank you so much.
Order filled.
All
Order
right.
filled.
Keeps moving down.
Order
I'm
filled.
out. I'm out of that trade, guys. Made a little less than $400. We'll walk away with that trade, and now I'm gonna look for something else, man. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Don't remind me of that last trade on the other one on funding ticks, guys, please. No bueno, no bueno, everybody. Look at that bounce now. We're getting a bounce. All right, so I don't know, man. It doesn't look like it wants to just keep constantly pulling back here, right? It's still holding, so. All right, let's start our giveaway, guys. All right, I closed the entries, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna pick the winner, and the winner will have to DM me once the streaming is over to claim your price. And we're gonna have 24 hours for you to claim it back, right? So if you're not here, come back to me in about 24 hours, and we'll take care of your price. Good luck, everybody, once again. Thank you guys for being here, obviously, every day with me. And thank you for smashing that like as well, guys. I'm watching you, guys. Thank you so much. I love you, man. I love you, guys. Mucho gracias, everybody. Hold on, guys. Let's get this giveaway going. And let's see if we can actually get into some couple more trades. The price action, definitely, Globex ASIA has been a lot better lately. So it's definitely giving you a lot more opportunity to kind of try to get into more trades. All right, guys. Good luck, everybody. I'm picking the winner now. Big Dub Trader. Big Dub Trader, guys. Big Dub Trader is the winner. Big Dub Trader. My dear Did Dub Trader, are you here today? And are you here? Okay, so Did Dub Trader, congrats once again for being a winner of today's giveaway. So you're gonna have to come to me, talk to me, DM me. Oh, Big Dub Trader, you're there, bro. Woo, yeah, baby, let's go, man. All right, so, oh my God, guys, the market's tanking now. Oh, damn it, guys, I am so pissed. Oh my God. So what was I saying? Yeah, this mind-blowing market right now. Dubs Trader, yeah, you're gonna have to talk to me, okay? I'll take care of your price. Oh my God, look at that V-shaped bounce now again. Oh my God. This is a very difficult market, guys, to trade in right now. Oh. Okay, so where I'm at, getting a bounce. By the way, congrats to the winner, Dust Trader. DM me, please, once the streaming is over. Corey the Scalper, man. Enki just bounced and took all your profits away. Yeah, yeah, it depends. I mean, if you were really aggressive in that trade, then yeah, it would have knocked you out on that for sure. I wonder where this market is really gonna go, though, right? I mean, not about right now, but I'm just really thinking about what next. Do we bounce back up again? I really have to get above this 700 before we actually get a bounce, right? 700 would be an area. 700, yeah. If you want to be bullish, I think this really has to get above 700. And if you want to be really bearish, we got to get down into the 600 too. So we're kind of like right in the middle, chop zone, if you will. Yeah, through Discord, bro. Big Duff Trader. Yeah, absolutely. Just talk to me, and I'll take care of it. All right, guys. I think it's that time of the day. It's 9:15 now. The market's now really chopping. I may kind of try to get into some swing trades overnight. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have to wait and see how this market kind of play out. A little bit later, in about 2 hours, I probably end up swinging, an account. I'm not sure what it's gonna be. But for now, guys, thank you so much for being here today. Yeah, they taking turns. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what it's doing, right? It's taking the bulls and the bears both out today. A very difficult day to trade. Be careful, guys, man. This market's not easy to trade today. Definitely a difficult one. I'm in the mountain time. Fiona, I'm in a mountain time. So I'm 2 hours behind Eastern time right now. So this market is not for swing trade. Yeah, it could be. So I'm gonna have to take a look at this market, but I think we're gonna get some big moves today into tomorrow, right? Maybe by tomorrow we are up 1% or we are down 1%, something like that. So we'll see. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm gonna take my chances. We'll see how it goes, but not right now. We are still in that chop area, so I want to see a breakout or a breakdown, and then have the trending day. So we'll see, guys. I don't know how it's gonna be. I may not do anything. Who knows? You're heavy on your Robinhood account. Just killed me. Oh my god! Wow, it looks like you're trading the penny stocks. Anyways, guys, we'll chat again tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day. I am going to hop onto the live streaming tomorrow morning, a little bit later into what would the Eastern time? Eastern time will be at 12, right? I will be live streaming tomorrow at 12 Eastern time. Okay, so that's yeah, that sounds about right. So 12 Eastern time tomorrow morning, I will be there, and we'll continue trading from morning into the Globex Asia. I hope all of you have a great rest of the day. Thank you so much for being here today, and thank you for smashing the like as well, and thank you for all your support. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great rest of the night, guys. God bless everybody, you and your family. Thank you so much once again. Take care and peace. Yeah, that's not a rally then. Anyways, guys, peace out.